This is my other little tire pump I have. This is manufactured by the Manzel brothers, Buffalo, New York, USA. It's a type AG. It says it has patent pending. And there's a little notice on the bottom here. It says important. Oil here until oil overflows. It has a splash system lubrication in it. Right here, you just unscrew this plug. And you fill it until oil comes flowing out the side of it here. This was something my grandfather found on the side of the road heading to the garbage, just like you see it here. So he took it and used it for filling up bicycle tires. This little compressor would be mounted to the side of an engine. Right here, this little frame, there'd be a clutch handle, and you'd pull a lever back or forth to disengage or engage the clutch. There'd be a clutch right here. This pulley's not original. And somebody made a bracket there to mount it to the base. It's got 4 antique wooden swivel casters on it. I put the switch on it. This switch I found new in box. I made some modifications. I made little holders for all the attachments and tire gauges and stuff. And tire inflator down here. The tire inflator, I've got it set up right now so that way there's no pressure in the system when this is disengaged. So to get it to, well, right here I have this set up for like blowing up pool floats or whatever, like you see it. And then I hook it up to this. Just a second. There, now I can fill up tires. Got a pressure gauge right here. This was on it. And this motor, it's a Delco, but it says Maytag on it, so it must have been on a Maytag washing machine or something. I have it locked up. Let me move it. Keep the tension off the belt when I'm not using it. There we go. And we're ready to go. Oops. I don't have power right here. Why don't I have power? I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Of course, it would help to have the lead cord plugged in. Now it will work. This little compressor here puts out a lot more air than my little Century powered PTC over there. This is a 1/4 of a horsepower motor, so it's slightly bigger than that. Doesn't look it, but this one spins slower, and yet these little cylinders, I think they have a 1-inch bore and I think a 1-inch stroke, probably something like that. Slightly bigger than that little 2-cylinder there. But this has cooling fins on it. Right here, there's these little ports on the sides of the cylinder where the airs come in. Then there's little tiny ball valves there on the top of the cylinder that are spring-loaded. Overall, it works very well. It puts out quite a bit of air. And you can build up pressure until this motor here starts bogging down and slowing down. I actually should put a bigger motor on it. Maybe someday I will. So until next time.